In this video, we will show you step by step how to make mac and cheese at home using the microwave and with the help of an adult. Here are the steps to complete before cooking. We want to clean any cooking surfaces that we will be using, tie long hair back away from our face, and wash our hands for 20 seconds or the time it takes to sing happy birthday twice. It's also helpful to have the recipe on hand to refer to. First, let's tie our hair back. If long hair isn't tied back, it's more likely to fall into the food you're making, and you might be more likely to touch your hair, which can spread bacteria to food. Next, let's clean our cooking surfaces. It's important to clean worktops, cutting boards, and other surfaces we use to prepare our ingredients because they touch the food that we're going to eat. If they aren't properly cleaned, bacteria could spread to food and make you sick. And of course, don't forget to wash your hands before preparing any ingredients. We want to wash our hands for about 20 seconds or the time it takes to sing happy birthday twice. Now gather the ingredients you need to make this recipe. They include dried elbow macaroni, Velveeta cheese, a block of sharp cheddar cheese, and 1% low-fat milk. Here I have lactose-free, but use what you have on hand. For the cooking tools, you will need a cutting board or paper plate, box grater, a 1 cup dry measure, a 1 cup liquid measure, a child-safe knife, whisk, a strainer, a wooden spoon, and a large bowl. Now let's talk about the difference between a dry measure and a liquid measure. Liquid measuring cups are usually plastic or glass, like this one. They allow you to pour a liquid into the cup and bring it even with a measurement line without spilling. Dry measuring cups hold the exact amount of an ingredient and should be leveled off with a flat edge. Today we will be using a 1 cup dry measure. Shred the cheddar cheese using a box grater. Keep your fingers tucked in like this so that you don't cut yourself because the holes are very sharp. Ask for an adult's help when the piece of cheese gets very small. To grate means to make small pieces by rubbing on something, like a box grater. Make sure you place a cutting board or paper plate underneath the box grater to catch the shreds. When you're done, collect the shreds to make 1 cup in a dry measure and empty the full cup into a bowl and set aside. The next step is to boil water to cook our pasta. The adult helper should fill a large pot with water and bring to a boil. Slowly add 2 cups of pasta using the 1 cup dry measure. Give the pasta a stir and cook for 8 minutes total. While your pasta is cooking, unwrap 9 slices of Velveeta cheese. This is equal to 6 ounces. Then stack them on top of each other, and using a child-safe knife or butter knife, cut them into cubes. Remember to tuck your fingers under to avoid hurting yourself. This type of knife can still cut you, so it's important to still use proper knife techniques. When you are finished, place the cubes into your large microwave-safe bowl. Locate where your 3/4 line is on your liquid measuring cup and measure out the low-fat 1% milk. Add the measured milk to the bowl of cubed Velveeta cheese. Now it's time to melt the Velveeta and milk in the microwave. The microwave is a cooking appliance that is safer for younger helpers to use compared to an appliance with an open flame. We want to microwave this bowl for 1 minute. And later, we'll need the adult's help to remove the bowl from the microwave. Stir the cheese sauce after it's come out of the microwave with a whisk until it's smooth and melted. Repeat the 1 minute microwave step one more time and whisk away. With an oven mitt, the adult should strain the pasta in the sink after 8 minutes of cooking. The adult should also add the hot pasta directly into the cheese sauce that we made in the microwave. Add the reserved cheddar cheese that we shredded earlier to the pasta and cheese mixture. Stir it all together. The final step is to portion out our finished dish using a 1 cup dry measure to do so. And congrats, we finished our microwave mac and cheese recipe. We learned a lot about cooking today, like how to use a microwave. We also practiced proper and safe techniques to grate cheese using a box grater and cut Velveeta with a knife. We also learned how to measure ingredients using a liquid and dry measuring cup. Now it's your turn. A chef is someone who cooks food, and kids like you can be chefs too. Use your recipe at home and follow the steps in this demo to become a healthy helper to make your own microwave mac and cheese with the help of an adult.